Okay guys, just cleaned the chicken or the duck cage out. Holy crap, are they messy, guys. That container was down here is pretty much almost full to the top of this duck crap, food left over, and water because I like to play in the water. So it's full all the way to the top. It was so hard to move. It was just so messy. It's an understatement how messy ducks are, especially if you have 8 of them. Extremely messy. When you're outside down at the coop in their cage, it's a lot easier to clean. Guys, push it in the garden or as a composting pile. It's just so simple. It's hard in here because it just almost overflowed. And plus, when if the water drips out, if they're playing in it, it just goes out of the coop. It doesn't stay anywhere. So much easier to clean. But I still have to wait until I get back. These guys are going to the farm with the rest of the guys on Wednesday while I go on vacation. I'll be back in 2 weeks. But they'll be a lot bigger, and they should be able to go down to the coop full time, just be in this cage. And when the ducks and chickens are out, I have these guys run around the coop. If you guys watched my videos before, that's what I've done. So it's another crappy day outside. So let's go outside and let the animals out. As we got even more rain, everything's even more flooded than it was. They don't even really need a tub today. They have all this water. Whoa, there I go, sinking in the mud. They have all this over here. We now turned to a little creek. Everything's flooding. This is one big muddy mess. Hey, at least the ducks are gonna love it. Okay. Stop falling in the mud. Chickens probably won't be too happy today, I feel. I don't feel they're not gonna do much. Don't really eggs everywhere. Ducks are, everyone's outside. And they're off. Quick drink of water. Yeah, they're gonna have a good time playing in the mud today. Oreo, where'd Oreo go? Oreo must have left already. Eggs everywhere. It's an egg party. Remember to get to those later. Ouch. There's my head. Okay, let's see where'd Oreo go? Oh, chickens are ready. Whoa. Chickens are going their own direction. Oh, Oreo's down there. Oreo's getting a lot better. Oh, they're not even going for the tub. They're just going for the regular water. Definitely ducks weather today. All fresh rainwater. Chickens, like I said, they're not really liking the rain. So they're gonna probably be hiding down there in the bushes and under the trees. A lot of worms and bugs for them today though, so we're gonna definitely be happy. Same with the ducks too. Ducks gonna find a lot of good bugs. The tub's overflowing and didn't even add water to it. So much rain. It's supposed to rain pretty much the rest of the day too. Not good for their feet though. I'm trying to avoid bumblefoot. But it'll be fine next 2 weeks when they're at the farm. It'll be nice and dry. Plenty of room and a lot of dry up. Oreo's gonna probably go over where the blackberries are. That's where Bucko went when he had a bumblefoot too, and hang out there the rest of the day. Yeah, everyone's doing good. Chickens are making their way over there. So you guys, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay guys, it is absolutely miserable out here right now. It's so bad. It's rainy. It's cold. It's like 40. Just the worst right now. Ducks, it's time to go. Please do not give me a hard time. I'm trying to spend as less time out here as possible. It's so dang muddy. I'm trying not to fall in the mud right now. Look, watch every step we got right now. I'm sinking into the mud. Guys, in the mud. Okay, Ducks, please do not give me a hard time. Just go in and go to bed. Everyone in. Come on, Ducks, what are you waiting for? There you go. Okay. Everybody's in. 3 there. Oreo back there. Nice and kind of warm in here. It's all sheltered from the rain. And then it knocks the container over. Good job, ducks. Might as well empty that out for you. Okay. Always is nice and dry in here for you guys. So, good night, everyone. I will see you guys in the morning.